It never feels so high, rush, right, like in this moment.
It's because it's a new moment. That's the way new moments are supposed to feel. Convergence with source is always that rush, and the potential of it is in every moment.
Yeah, and I never feel more happier than this moment, and I know that tomorrow I will be happier even, and every day I can be even happier.
And you can never go back to remembering how happy you were, because it was never as much as how happy you are.
Yes, exactly.
Your capacity to decipher it just improves and improves. That's what fine-tuning is.
Yeah,
Yes.
and I realized that life is awesome. Like this, I remember like I was complaining everywhere, anything last year, and right now I just see that I don't have anything to complain.
No legitimate complaints.
No.
Not one of you.
No.
No one has a legitimate complaint, because you have everything
Yes.
at your fingertips.
Yeah, and what I want to say, like, life is amazing as you want it to be. And this is the most...
Life is as amazing as you allow it to be.
Oh, thank you for that. Yeah.
As you receive it to be.
Yeah.
As you describe it to be. As you perceive it to be.
Yes. Yeah. And I know that I can do whatever question I want to do, because I'm very curious. And my inner being wants to know something. And
your inner being wants you to know it.
Yeah.
If your inner being has awareness of all of the thrilling things, do you believe that there's more satisfaction for your inner being when you know it?
Exactly.
And why do you think that is? Let us ask the question really clearly. So if your inner being knows, why do you think your inner being enjoys so much you're releasing resistance and allowing yourself to know?
Because my inner being wants the best result of me. He wants to be my best version.
True, but that's not the reason. What else?
Because he wants to expand.
Because through your knowing, this time-space reality expands.
Yes. And that was my question that I wanted to make. So because I wanted to know if universe is made of thoughts and is expanded with thoughts.
Yes, but we want to stay on this point just for a moment.
Okay.
So if your inner being is thrilled with what your inner being knows in any moment in time, and you get into the receptive mode, so you allow yourself what you want to call a sort of breakthrough, a sort of new surprise and delight, exhilaration. What do you think is in it for your inner being? What do you think is in it for your inner being? Because when it explodes within you, and you allow your physical senses to decipher it through emotion, through feelings, through thrills, through physical sensations, through the physicality of it, your inner being is out here on the leading edge with your physicality, exploration and discovery of something. Now we've just come back to the subject of orgasm.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because I feel this orgasmic sensation that in my mind, like, everything is a rush.
So there are a number of things that we want to say with this, and then we'll let you speak. The first is, can you feel that we're all in this togetherness of this?
Yes.
And do you like the idea that you get to play the role of being the visceral, see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it, feel it version of source energy?
Yes.
And don't you want to open yourself up so that you can feel what it feels like to source to be you? That's really what we're asking, because source feels wonderful all the time, but when you allow the physical expression of it to be deciphered and explored and explained through the physical sensation, that's as alive as it gets. And have we convinced you in all of the hours that we've been together that you are the leading edge of that which is source? And do you believe it when we tell you that source is here with you on the leading edge, not someplace else waiting for you to go there?
Yes.
That this is where all that source is expressing and exploring and devouring and loving?
Yes.
And don't you want to play your part in that?
Totally.
And do you need to play your part for source to feel the fullness of it?
Of course.
Trick question.
Oh.
Is it important that you play your part, your step 3 part of allowing, in order for source to experience the full expansion? We've been telling you that we're getting ours whether you do or not. But take this leading edge question and feel it. In other words, Is it of advantage to source when you align and let source explore fully forward with you here and now? Yes, that's the expansion of the universe.
Yes.
That's the expansion of the universe.
Yeah.
That's the evolution of all species. It's the expansion of the universe. It matters, and it cannot happen without you.
I'm so happy to say this, that I am the best result of all of my worst creations. Yeah.
Better words have never been spoken in this forum.
Thank you.
Truly inspired.
Yeah, it was
I
like,
am the best result of my worst creations.
yes. Yeah, it is the contrast.
Here you stand.
Yeah.
Here you stand.
Thank you.
Something more?
I just want to say that you are so beautiful. And every one of you is so beautiful because I reflect in every one of you. And I see the beauty of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to say anything more. Thank you.
This is the perfect time for more fun outside of this room. There is great love here for you. And for now, we are complete.